Welcome to Priyanka Rattawa show. Due to the coronavirus spread, it is advised to wash your hands every 20 minutes to reduce the risk of getting the virus. Washing your hands is extremely important, but when you cannot wash your hands, you have to sanitize them well. Use a sanitizer to sanitize your hands. The demand for sanitizer has increased and it's out of stock everywhere. I searched for it for 2 to 3 days but couldn't get it. Finally, I made my own sanitizer at home and I'm going to show you how I did it. It's the homemade sanitizer. We will need only 3 ingredients. First is isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol. Now you have to make sure it is more than 60%. Second is Aloe Vera Gel. This helps to keep the hands moisturized and soft. Lastly, essential oil. Tea tree oil is antibacterial and it helps to kill the germs. You can add any other essential oil like lavender or eucalyptus. Take 1 cup of alcohol. Again, ensure it's more than 60% for a good sanitizer. ¾ cup aloe vera gel, 10 to 12 drops of tea tree oil. Give everything a good mix. You can also use a hand blender if you want. Mix until everything combines well. Voila! And our hand sanitizer is ready. I have these cute little silicone bottles which can easily fit in bags and purses. Using a funnel, I'm going to fill these bottles. 1, 2 and 3. Close the bottles tightly. Lastly, don't forget to label the bottles. Take a generous amount in your hands and then rub your palms until it dries well. Take good amount of sanitizer and keep rubbing it between your fingers and the tips until the hands are completely dry. Keep a stock of all the ingredients and make it whenever you need it. You don't have to run to different stores. After filling these 3 bottles, I have some left which I am storing in a glass container. Let me know if you have been searching for sanitizers and if this video helps in the comment section. Wash your hands, sanitize them well, take proper precautions and say no to coronavirus. Take care until next time. Bye bye.